What up? Coming to you live from Tokyo. We're back at my absolute favorite breakfast spot, New York Club. We got the Honda Life outside. Full video on this coming at some point. Shout out Tiki. His son's name is Felix. Found a Hummer RC car for $20. If it wasn't so big, I would buy it. Wow, this is sick. How much is this? I got some good stuff in my cart. Not too many Ks, but I think from going to a lot of car meets and seeing that, you know, realistically, just because I think K is the way, doesn't mean everyone thinks K is the way, so I should only buy K stuff. So let me show you what's in here right now. So in my opinion, anything Fast and Furious really sells itself. Wow, this is 2,700 yen? Alright, I think we might have to rethink that one. But this guy's cool. This one is only 22. Still kind of a lot. Again, Skyline sells itself. 10 bucks. This one, pretty good. This one, I mean, I'll probably just keep this one, being honest. And then another one, good for the Horde. This is a Copen, and I'm not sure what the second vehicle is. Looks like it could be a Mercedes-Benz AMG. And then I like a lot of these wind-up cars, and they're not too expensive. And then this one has a Wagoner, Step Wagon. I forgot what the other two models are. And then this is a one-piece Serena, which is pretty cool, for like $3. Damn, speaking of Tiki, let me know when you get that container started, bro. Imagine having this outside your house. I can't believe, I guess things like this are for sale in America too, but I can't believe, oh my God. Do you see that price? This is $130. Even if the screen doesn't work, you can put like an LCD in here and make it like a gaming system. Wow. This one's like $350. That's still really cheap. But this Felix one, I thought they would all be that same price. Clearly they are not. I wonder if this is also for sale. Look at that. Wow, this one is cheap. That's like a set of rims.
Oh, they're selling these?
Yeah.
That'd be cool to bring home.
Just made it to Off House. About to buy a bunch of little book bags. We got Hello Kitty, Snorlax, Winnie the Pooh, Pikachu. I wish I could take home this. Comment below if I should buy this KFC Colonel Sanders camera. It might look like St. Nicholas, but it's not.
I'm telling Nick that
It's pretty insane how much the prices have gone up since my first time in Japan till now. Regular Game Boy Colors, nothing even fancy, $100. This one, with the Gen 2 starters, I guess I get it, but a lot of money. Game Boy Advance is a lot of money. I do have to say the consoles haven't really skyrocketed. It's really just the handhelds. This one with the box carrying case, it's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. But alright, enough video game hunting. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna make this video happen, but what we're gonna do now is actually go to Up Garage and buy some tri-spokes, all jokes aside, and some fire tri-spokes at that. Just made it to Up Garage. Shout out to Red. He's officially Advan only 2 gang and tri-spoke gang. These are going on a black Wagon R. I cannot wait to install them tomorrow. But we've been here before actually, and there really wasn't anything. I think these are cool. Shout out to Tiki. These Garcia rims. But I'm gonna see if I can find him some red lug nuts to go with his theme he got going on. These are pretty cool, but about $100. I don't know if they're that cool. And then they have these, which are ombre, for about $30. I don't think I'll buy these, but I might entertain it. Shout out to all my homies back home with a 99 Acti. This is how the Japanese people are doing it. We got 2 different sets of wheels. These look a lot wider. Also have a blue dye there. Bike on the back. I don't know whose car this is. I don't want to get too close, but there's really no seat in there, which is pretty interesting. That's how they're doing it out here. And then we have me in the life. Should be in a try like this guy, flexing. But unfortunately, we're just gonna rock out with this. This is a perfect example of me not having my atrai and not being able to fully embrace the K-car culture. Of course, right now I could walk up to him and say, hey, you know, cool car, give him a pin and a sticker, but I'm in a Honda life with no rims. It's automatic, it's not turbo, there's nothing cool about it. And I think first impression is very important. And this guy went above and beyond to put potentially coilovers, lowering springs, and exhaust and make it cool. And then this guy Jean with a normal Honda Fit is like, you know? But if he just pulled up, I think that I wouldn't even have to make that icebreaker decision or introduction. In my personal opinion, the way I'm going to have the atrai set up, I don't even need to break the ice. I think they're going to see a cool, clean K-van with gold onlys, raised lug nuts, lowering springs potentially, and they're just gonna be like, wow, like cool car. Intake, blow valve, underglow, glow plate, like the list goes on. I think that just initial them being like cool would just open up the bridge of cars coming through. Because like as much as I'm happy that I have a rental and everything, we have the Tonto, we have the Life now, it's not what I bought a car for. I didn't, like, you know, if I just wanted a BS car, I would have bought a BS car. I bought an atrai and I spent so much money and time investing, making it nicer to park next to these 3 cars and be like, wow. So it's the next day and it's starting exactly how yesterday did. Back at our absolute favorite bagel spot. Right now what we're gonna do is actually drive to drop off some boxes that we're gonna ship back to America. So this one is mine. David is gonna ship these 2 that have some wheels. So if anyone's interested in some gold, nice brand new wheels, these are both his, and then these are the tri-spokes that we bought yesterday. I still gotta lock in a bunch of content, so I'm not sure, honestly, if anything cool is gonna be done today. So maybe this is where the video ends. If it doesn't, thank you for watching. If it does, oh, the giveaway recap. Actually, update on the giveaway. I just posted everything on my Instagram. The winner, as of right now, said he's taking the Tri Camper, but he's not sure about everything else that's being added, like the Beat, like the Pajero, like some other K-truck. So stay tuned to see what happens with that. David is actually doing one himself, so if you want to join that one, definitely give it a shot. And then I think I'm going to run another one on some just plates, though, not cars. Like, I'll do a small one, like less than $1,000 on some JDM plates that I'm going to be getting. Not even just gold plates or regular plates, like some really cool, unique ones that I need to drive 3 hours to go pick up. So stay tuned for that. And then if this video ends here, thank you for watching. If it doesn't, let's continue to have some more fun in Japan. I'm still here for at least 4 more weeks at the bare minimum. At the maximum, question mark.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.